Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
Naming a fake world involves combining creativity with linguistic elements. Start by considering the world's characteristics, its landscapes, cultures, and creatures. Draw inspiration from ancient myths, foreign languages, or alter words from existing languages. Mix and match sounds until you find something that feels right. Additionally, ensure the name sounds pleasing to the ear and is easy to pronounce to enhance memorability. Incorporating elements like Terra, Gaia, or inventive prefixes and suffixes can also add depth. Remember, the name should reflect the essence and uniqueness of the world it represents.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.